Hey there, subscribers and everybody out there in YouTube land. I just wanted to say I have really enjoyed my journey so far on YouTube. It's been fantastic. I cannot believe that I have gone over 10,000 subscribers in such a short period of time. I really had no idea that teaching would appeal to me. I've been an artist for 20 years using acrylics, and the fluid acrylic pouring craze that's out there, I just found it in about, I don't know, the last 6 months. And I thought, well, you know what? I'm going to tape my journey on video and share it with everybody and let you learn along the way with me. I have, artistic skills and talent from I'm self-employed. I've done it for a long time. And this is this is something new that you have total freedom with, and you cannot control it to a certain extent, and it's kind of like a magical surprise every time you do a different painting. That's what I love about it. And I am just so excited to share with you as I go through this journey. I plan on getting better with my videotaping, my voice, my sound, lighting, everything. There's a lot that I can improve on. And for now, with the limited resources that I have, this is, kind of where I am. But I hope as I go forward with this that I'll get to improve my technology and the way that things get done, and hopefully it'll just be a much better experience for you. And I'm even thinking about teaching some tutorials, that kind of thing, down the road when I have the space to do it. I'm applying for a studio space, and it may take some time to hear about that, but I am praying, and if you would say a prayer for me, that I get some studio space, which is what I need to kind of expand my horizons. And I'm also going to, do real art sometimes too, and I want to videotape that as well so that you can watch that. And it may not be something you're interested at all in, but I've been an artist for 20 years, and I still love to paint beautiful things like birds and flowers and all kinds of stuff, and I still get commissioned paintings. And this fluid painting is just part of me that is, I'm just loving the new journey, and I love the abstract freedom of it, and I am definitely going to go more in that direction. So just stay tuned, and I hope that you will find lots of videos that are meaningful to you. I want to touch you in a special kind of way and share my gift that God gave me with other people. And feel free to, make comments, ask questions, make requests, and give suggestions, or whatever you feel like contacting me about. And you can also contact me through my website at sandralett.com, and you can send an email through that if you want to keep it more private or whatever. But I am just having the best time of my life doing this, and I look forward to making lots more videos for you to learn with me, watch me have successes, and watch me fail, because it happens both ways. There's never a perfect journey. So thank you so much for subscribing, and there'll be lots more to come. I am so happy that you have decided to follow my journey. Thank you.